Hey everybody, it's Mary the Craft Hoarder, and I have an unboxing video for Angel Dream Crafts on Etsy, and I'll have the link to the store down in the description, so make sure you go check her out. Okay, so I'm going to start with my first item, which is this gorgeous napkin. This napkin has the image on all four sides, and it's a big napkin. Of course, I don't have it here. So 8 by 8, so that's a lot of work surface. So I got two of these, and no, you do get more lace than that. You do get a yard, but I was so excited that I started cutting into it, and I was like, oh, darn it, I forgot to do my unboxing video. So this is a lovely pink, and I'll hold this up a little bit closer. And what I did is I still have bits and pieces because on the project I'm doing, I cut apart this top. And that's one thing you always want to look at your laces. What can you do? How can you make your laces stretch farther? And this is one of the things I love to do is just kind of take either the top, if it has a top part, I take it apart, and I have all these flowers. I can use this as clean this edge up here, and I have this lace, or I can cut apart flowers, and you can have individual flowers. So that lace will get you a lot of mileage. Okay, so I got a yard of that. And then I picked up 2 yards of this gorgeous lace, this cotton lace. It's like an ecru, maybe off-white. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love that one. It's perfect for card making, trimming around photos. Okay, and then I also got some bling, some heart bling. You do get 2 pieces, but of course I can only find one right now because my desk is such a mess. Okay, and my last trim that I have is what I call the peacock trim, because it reminds me of peacock feathers. And this is, again, this is an off-white piece, and it's just gorgeous. It gives you that little bit of dangle, little bit of extra fun to your projects. Okay, and that is my design team kit for January for Angel Dream Crafts on Etsy. Again, I'll have the link below. Please make sure and go and check out her store and pick up some of these wonderful products to work with. And I will have my project coming up probably within the next week or two. Okay, guys, have a great day. Bye-bye.